Hi guys, good evening again. I will just share a little things to you, and through my experience here in Singapore. um, this is really a very safe country, even though you have to walk like this late at night at 10, and still really very safe. And look at this, how quiet this is. Walang wala kang kakatakutan. You have nothing to afraid of. There's few people are walking like this hour, like 10 something plus in the evening. See this? This is near from Harbor France, so I just walk from Harbor Center to Keppel Bay, about like 10 to 12 minutes walk. So I love to walk like this hour because sabihin na natin na parang exercise na lang din, and it's very nice to walk. If I take bus, $1, so save money. So this is how it is. You can see this place, this area is very safe, and that is the harbor front harbor. So wala na yung boat cruise dyan lumarga na siya. So this is it. It's very nice here, very nice place. So thanks everyone. I love to walk like this hour because it's very safe. So this is it guys, just a short video to all of you. And then see, I still need to, okay, that is the harbor front, Harbor Center, and to Vivo City. Thanks for watching.